Hi everybody. Hey, so my wife and I discovered some content on the internet on how to clean grout, and she just got so excited that she wanted to just start filming right now. So well, this is Jay's how-to channel and I'm Jay. Let me get right into the video, and this is her cleaning grout.
We're going to do 1 part Dawn dish soap.
This solution is so easy to mix, and it's so effective and inexpensive.
And then 1 part.
My wife likes disco music, so I kind of threw this track in for her.
And then 2 quarts of warm water.
Okay, you can apply the solution, and yeah, you can kind of scrub it in, but let the solution do the work for you. You can let it sit in there for 15, 20 seconds at a time. Just let the solution do the work for you.
Okay, ready? Oh my, you can, well now it's wet, so it's hard to say. Actually it's brown grout, so I don't know if this is going to help, right?
We're going to hit it again for a second time. Then you come in and clean up the floor just as you would normally.
Yeah, you can definitely tell. It's whiter. Yeah?
We'll see. See, but let it dry.
Let it dry.
After drying, the grout looked so good.
Yeah.
Here's the before. It's kind of dingy. And then here's after. It's really cleaned up. Once again, hey, thanks for watching through the end of the video, and really appreciate you guys. And thanks for subscribing.